So this video is a continuation of my iPad for Seniors series. I made a video on iPad tips for seniors a while back. I've got a link in the description below. And this is a follow-up with 5 more tips on how to use your iPad. And while these tips remain very basic, if you're new to the iPad, you'll find them helpful. By the way, I'm using the 7th generation basic iPad. I have the more fancy iPad Pro, but the basic iPad is the iPad my mom uses, so I just figured I'd use it for this video. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Rich Bolin, and on this channel we talk about tech, life, and how to get things done. If you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button and tap the bell so you'll be notified when a new video is released. It's exciting to watch the channel grow, thanks to you. So, here are the 5 tips up front so you can skip around the video if you need to. Tip 1, how to close apps. Tip 2, how to create icon folders. Tip 3, how to add apps to the dock. Tip 4, how to change the background wallpaper. And tip 5, how to add free apps from the App Store. So, have you ever had an app open and you want to close the app? Well, you can hit the home screen and you go back. Or you can swipe up and go back. But that really doesn't close the app. The app is actually open. How you close the app is take your home button and double click twice, and then your apps show up. And here's the iTunes Store. Then you just flick it up, and that's how you close an app. Pretty simple. Have you ever wanted to get your home screen organized? Well, there's an easy way to do that, and that's by creating folders. A folder doesn't look like a folder. It looks like an icon right here with a bunch of little icons inside of it. To do that, to create one of those, all you have to do is hold on an icon, go into tap Edit Home Screen, and you'll enter Jiggle Mode. And then you can just tap it and put it on top of another one, and you've created a folder. And now you can add other things to it as you like. Just drag it on top. And you can rename the folder too. Just tap on it until it goes into Jiggle Mode. And rename it. And that's how you create a folder. Sometimes it's just easiest to keep your most important applications down in the dock where you can see them. Maybe you don't want them in a folder or on your home screen or something like that. So how do you add an application to the dock? It's real simple. Just hold on the icon, go to Edit Home Screen until it starts jiggling, and then just drag it down and put it where you want it on the dock and hit your home button, and that's it. That's how you add an app to the dock. And you can pull it out the same way. Just hold on it, Edit Home Screen, and drag it back out. Really simple. Now you can put your favorite applications in the dock. If you're like me, you get tired of looking at the same old wallpaper. The wallpaper is the background of your iPad, and I like to change that out from time to time, and it's a real easy thing to do. All you do is tap on the settings icon, go down to wallpaper, go down to choose new wallpaper, and you can actually choose a wallpaper from your photos, or you can choose a wallpaper from some of the wallpapers that Apple provides. So you just simply tap on it, click set, and it'll ask you, do you want it both on the home screen and the lock screen? I usually choose yes, so I'll say set both. And it changes the wallpaper. And now you don't have to look at the same wallpaper over and over. Lastly, as you get to use your iPad, there's a whole world of applications that are available to you. And knowing how to find them, how to get them, and put them on your iPad is really important. And it's easy to do that through Apple's App Store. I don't have the App Store icon showing up here, so I can just tap down, pull down, and type app, and it'll pull up the App Store. So now you can get free apps or you can pay for apps, and there's all different kinds of applications that are in here based upon what you want. There's today, what's important, there's games that you can get, there's applications for really just about anything that you can think of. So if you want to try it out, but you don't want to spend any money, tap on search, type free apps for iPad, and here you go. Here's a whole bunch of them. So here's a calculator. I don't have a calculator on mine, so you just tap the word get, and it asks you for authentication, so you put your thumb on there, Touch ID, and it processes it, and it's done. And now it'll begin installing it, and it's installed, and now you can hit open, and you have a calculator. Just like that. And now the calculator is on my iPad. Really simple. So I get these are pretty basic tips, but sometimes when you're just learning how to use your new iPad, basic tips are just what you need. Once you get a few of these tips under your belt, using the iPad becomes a joy. Don't give up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with anyone it might help. So, are you getting the hang of using your iPad? Please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.